464 points for her first ride. We're about to have the thumbs up for Anne, who's also going to choose to be in her surface kayak for this squirt competition. Coming out into the feature, she's going to plug the bow, going for that aerial loop. The loop is on the score sheet for the for squirt boating. Now she's going to go for some of the trophy moves who are also on the squirt boating as well. So that's going to be around already 100 points for Anne. She's going to come back into the feature. Maybe look for some cartwheels. There is the cartwheel to the right side.
Der große Nachteil beim Starten im Plastikboot in der Squirt-Klasse ist natürlich, dass man den Mystery-Move-Multiplikator mit dem vielen Volumen nicht bekommen kann. Von daher ist die Chance, weit nach vorne zu kommen, wenn man auf diese 2-0 verzichtet, der Multiplikation der Punkte, die man vorher erfahren hat, ist sehr, sehr schwer. 7 Sekunden bleiben noch. Der Mystery Move, wie gesagt, im Playboot wird hier vermutlich nicht zu sehen sein.
And that is going to be time for Anne's first ride. Around 120 points. We got to wait to see what the judges are going to do for that. It's going to see if it gets locked in, and then we're going to move back up to the top of this heat list with Sora. Around 140 points for Anne as of right now. Are they going to lock that in? We'll just have to wait and see. There's some nice replays. Going for that Space Godzilla. You can score trophy moves for squirt boating in these surface kayaks. This is not on the rules list for squirt boating or on the appendix. So she's doing a non-defined trick for that. She's going to come in at 140 points.